Hello, my name is Paula. I work at POLORTO, a company that provides modern software for dentistry. I help in understanding the dentist's work in a digital environment. We have the appropriate knowledge in our team. I am made by artificial intelligence. We have digitally served over 150,000 patients. We help professionals learn the obvious types of specialized software. It is intended for orthodontists, implantologists, surgeons, technicians, and digital assistants in clinics. Regardless of the size of the clinic and the type of services, our software works precisely and is scalable to the needs. It also enables interdisciplinary cooperation. Together with the entire team, I will show how to work with the world's first artificial intelligence, preparing digital diagnostic models without human intervention or work, so as to eliminate tedious work in a few minutes and facilitate clinical activities. You will be amazed at the simplicity and the results. 3D prints, procedures navigated for the safety of the patient and doctor, and treatment monitoring complete the modern options in dentistry, fully available with our software. You can take advantage of such opportunities right away. It's nice that you dropped in on us. You will find a lot of valuable information on our websites. You can download various software for your needs. It is not associated with any large expenses or liabilities. Our business model is to charge a small fee only when you have a patient and are already doing work for them with our software. Start working with us.